Hi friends, welcome to Digi section. In this session, I'll be helping you out how to add a bullet point in Excel. So for this, I've already taken a sample data which is available here. So in this, as you can see, asset class as an heading and equity derivatives, mutual funds and ETF are subpoints. In this, now, before I start explaining you how to add a bullet point, I also want to inform you that you can add different lines in the same cell using Alt plus Enter. For example, as I've typed A here, I'll double click. Alt plus enter is what I click, and then press B. Alt plus enter C. Alt plus enter D. So as soon as I click enter, now you can see in the same cell, all the four different lines, you have the data. So now we'll come to the main point, that how to add a bullet point in Excel. So to add a bullet point, the most important thing what you're supposed to do is click on function key and numlock. The numlock key will differ from laptop to laptop. In some laptop it will be on F11, in some it will be F12, and in some that will be a separate key. So hold the function key which is next to control key in the last row and click on numlock key. As soon as the numlock key is on, you can identify by clicking on any blank cell and type alphabet like J, I, U. So you can see the numbers being typed in the cell. So this means the numlock is on. So now double click where you want to add the bullet point and use the first shortcut that has been provided here for your understanding, Alt plus 7. Alt and 7 provides you the first one. I'll click the cursor in the second point, Alt 8, and lastly Alt 9. So these are the three different bullet points what you can add using a shortcut. So after adding the bullet points, please ensure to off the numlock, or whatever you type at that point of time will always provide you numbers, not the alphabets. So after you off, if you have added one bullet point, that is more than enough. You can just select it and copy wherever you want it to be pasted. For example, in case if I want to paste it for this also, Control V, down arrow, Control V, down. So like this, you can add one bullet point and use a number of time by using copy paste option. So thanks for joining friends. See you all in the next video.